The second altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you guys is going to be a bit of Litecoin coming through. We're going to start off here on the daily. We've got all-time highs coming through around in May. Obviously, a lot of the things all-time high in May. As you can see that from there, we've got a massive downward slope and resistance line. Very correlative point along this zone. We're literally in the process of a humongous breakout scenario here, guys. Definitely something to be looking out for the future. What I would say, that is the resistance to the lower side. To the top side. You can see the support that we are actually getting to the lower side there. So if we are going to see any sort of retracement in the price there, we could literally see a very nice bounce point coming through there in terms of a level of support. That's what we'll be looking for. Obviously, this is on the basis that crypto is going to bang it down. But to be honest, everything's looking pretty goddamn bullish right now, so I really don't think that's going to happen. But yeah, in terms of a bounce point, we could be looking at $170 there. Pretty crazy stuff there. But in terms of a breakout scenario for this symmetrical triangle here for Litecoin, and the reason why it's been chosen today as my altcoin of the day is because there's humongous gains here. There's humongous gains to be taking clean advantage of, right? You would some would say you've missed the move already. I would not. This is the measure move that we are looking for here, guys. It is going to be absolutely huge in terms of percentages there, because obviously this is the daily. It's around 28%. They're pretty crazy stuff. As you can see, we've already topped out of this zone before on the breakout, and then we've seen a bit of a downtrend coming through there. So what I would really be waiting for now is to actually clear this zone. Once you can clear this zone at $2.14 there, get a nice candle body close there, then that's definitely going to be an entry point to be looking out for. And in regards to your stop loss, you want to be jumping down to the smaller term time frame, see a very correlative point in terms of the moving averages, and also nice horizontal levels of support there as well. So yeah, definitely a point to be looking out for, and definitely a trade for the future there is going to be around that $214 from that point. I would be looking at staggering take profits all the way up. My first take profit is going to be actually the completion of this measure move on the smaller term time frame. You can see we do have a falling parallel channel here, guys, and that's obviously the measure move up from there. So there's definitely going to be clean resistance coming through, and as you can see there, look at the resistance coming through on September there. Pretty crazy. So what I would say there, if you are going for the completion of this measure move, first take profit is going to be really quite tight there. It's going to be really quite tight, but you know the score, guys. Once you hit your first take profit, you move your stop loss to your entry, and it basically invalidates all your losses here. It really does invalidate all your losses. I just want to stress that quite a lot, because I still know a lot of my audience, right? They still don't do this. I say it to them every single day, and it's like it's the key trading strategy that I use to eliminate my losses completely. Obviously not completely, but it really does eliminate my losses. And a successful trade is a profitable trade at the end of the day. And if you're not getting like 99% losses, then you're just chilling. Like if you eradicate your losses by like 99% or something, you're laughing. You're laughing. Imagine every trade you put on is successful, regardless of how much money you make per trade. It's just in terms of the successful trade percentage, it's very good, very good. But yeah, so in terms of take profits for Litecoin coming through here, the next take profit I would be looking for is going to be around that $231. As you can see, they're pretty strong stuff. The next one is also going to be sat. We do have a horizontal coming through there, actually. Yeah, from previous price action, you can see the candle body close there in February, and also there in April. So yeah, very correlative point as well. So another take profit, I would be banging that in at 10%, and then the further final take profit is going to be that banging there at 11.05%, and as you can see there, very big resistance there. So yeah, definitely looking good there for Litecoin. And let me jump down to the smaller term time frame and talk about this falling parallel channel ever so quickly, because you can see the levels of resistance along the top side here, very strong. You can see we've actually broken this here above all major moving averages, looking pretty bullish right now. And also the level of support to the lower side, pretty congruent as well there. Looking really quite nice. What I would say is just wait for that move over that activation point on the longer term time frame for that nice long position there for Litecoin. But yeah, that's going to be a Litecoin update for the day, guys.